Welcome to my study channel Math e-Learning. Today we will learn question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1.2 of chapter 1. Good evening students. Welcome to Math e-Learning. Today I am going to explain you exercise 1.2 of chapter 1 integers. Here some problem sums are given, and first question is, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So here in your question you asked to find total number of tickets, and for that you have to do addition of all this number of tickets which sold on first, second, third and final day. So first we write number of tickets sold on first day is equal to 1094. Then what is for second day? Number of tickets sold on second day is equal to 1812. Then of third day is 2050, and on fourth day it is 2751. Now by adding all these numbers we get the answer 7707. So how to write answer statement? Therefore 7707 tickets were sold on all the 4 days. Question number 2. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Now first of all, he scored 6,980 runs and he wants to achieve 10,000 runs. To reach this one, he needs more runs to make. For that, what you have to do? Yes, you have to do subtraction of 10,000 and 6,980. So by subtracting these two numbers, you will get how many more runs he needs to do. So first we write runs to achieve is equal to 10,000. That means Shekhar wants to achieve these runs and he scored 6,980. By doing subtraction we get 3,020. So he needs 3,020 more runs to achieve 10,000 runs. Question number 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So here successful candidate scored 5,77,500 votes and his rival scored these votes. So by what margin this candidate won the election? And for that, what to do here? You have to do subtraction of both this number of votes. And we look at this thing step by step. Number of votes secured by successful candidates is equal to 5,77,500. Number of votes secured by his nearest rival is equal to 3,48,700. By doing subtraction, we get the answer 2,28,800. So, the successful candidate won the election by this margin, 2,28,800. Therefore, the successful candidate won by a margin of 2,28,800 votes. Question number 4. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the June. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So here you have given 2 questions. First we think about this question. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? That means you have to do addition of both weeks. Then after, next question is, in which week was the sale greater? So by observing these 2 numbers, we get 4,768 is the greater sale and it is of second week. And by how much? So for that you have to do subtraction of these 2 numbers. So how to write this? Books sold in first week is equal to 2,85,891. Books sold in second week is equal to 4,768. Now in first question we have asked about sale of 2 weeks together, and for that we will do addition. Total books sold is equal to 6,86,659. If you want to do this addition in your rough book, then you can do. And by doing comparison of both these numbers, we got 4,768 is greater than 2,85,891. So we can say that therefore the sale of second week is greater than that of first week. But the difference of both weeks is the answer of second question. Books sold in second week is equal to 4,768. Books sold in first week is equal to 2,85,891. And by subtracting these 2 numbers, we got 1,14,877. So we can say that therefore 1,14,877 more books were sold in second week. Question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Now what is the meaning of this question? Using these digits, first you have to build greatest and then list 5-digit number. Then after, find the difference of both these 5-digit numbers. So first we form greatest number using these digits. So we know that for that we have to arrange these digits in descending order. So we have arranged it in descending order and it is 5-digit greatest number. Now we build list 5-digit number using these digits. For that we arrange these digits in ascending order. So this is list number using these digits. Now you have to find difference, and by doing subtraction you will get the answer. Now how to write greatest 5-digit number using digits 62743 is equal to 76,432. Smallest 5-digit number is 23,467, and by doing subtraction we get 52,965. Therefore the difference is 52,965. Question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So here you have asked manufacturing of January month, and we know that there are 31 days in January month. The production, or you can say manufacturing of a day is 2,825 screws. So what about 31 days? So we can write in this form: manufacturing of one day is equal to 2,825. So what about 31 days? Now we do cross multiplication. So we multiply 2,825 and 31 and divide by this one. By multiplying these two numbers we will get the answer. So how to write? Number of screws manufactured in one day is equal to 2,825, and number of days of January month is 31 days. Number of screws produced in January month is equal to 2,825 multiplied by 31. By doing multiplication we get 87,575. Therefore the machine produced 87,575 screws of the month of January.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.